most American thing?
I don't know.
I'm nervous.
We're ready for a road trip. We're ready.
Oh man, we're getting political.
Oh wait, I got a present for you guys. I forgot to show you.
My boy.
See that little spot right down there, the trees? Yeah. That's where we're going.
I don't think I can do this actually.
Ain't scared to be the first. Only standing still and waiting is worse. We have a new way of life. Gonna charge the mountain and start the climb. And you know we're gonna make it.
Yeah.
And you know we're gonna change it. The feeling we have won't go
There. Last name.
McLeod.
We're running to the great beyond. Stepping out to the sun. Further than we ever thought we could. We're running through an open door. Somewhere greater than before. Come on now, it's closer than you know.
I brought sandals on this.
Hop on in. This is so romantic.
Come on. Okay, let's get out. Oh, dang, Toby. Oh, man. Just keep breathing. Keep breathing. Regular breath. Regular breath. Feels alright, doesn't it? You gonna pee?
Alright. Oh, I just got
Regular breath. Regular breath.
30 seconds.
I'm going back. Literally, only Will goes down, and we're all just have our noses in there.
Why are you filming? That's illegal, dude.
Candid moments.
Dude, I feel bored about how oh wow, amazing.
Wow.
We're at the Hobbiton.
We're on the bus ride to go.
Neither of us have seen the movies, so
We got a pamphlet.
we have a pamphlet.
That's it.
Finn is
Our guide.
our guide.
Yeah.
10-minute drive down. Hi, Harry. He's our bus driver.
Enjoy this opening video. We're going to introduce you to Sabrina Jackson
We're elated.
and also
So
to our
aesthetic.
Chief Hobbit
Yep.
CEO Russell
Okay,
Alexander.
bye.
Every breath an open door, new beginning leads us on to something more. It's never ending. Going on an adventure.
Everybody, come on down.
Oh, it's like a hobbit hole within a hobbit hole. You guys are hobbits.
Oh, hey. Oh, sorry. Oh, dude, my elbow. Oh, it's a kitchen?
Yeah.
There we go. Everyone relax.
Is that the rules? Good.
I had like tips for proposing.
Tips for proposing.
Yeah, not me.
Smacked his elbow on the frame.
I got that on video.
Yeah.
About as hard as I've ever hit my elbow.
We got a stein. I got a stein. I brought you to a
Toby,
whoa, yeah. I brought you to a special place.
Please, no, I want sushi, not KFC. She did.
This is a great idea! Questionable. Going on an adventure in there.
Are you pumped to go luging?
I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped.
So good with it. Yeah. This is a great idea. What's about your feelings right now?
I'm probably gonna cry on the way up again because it's on a ski lift, and the last time I was on a ski lift, I cried.
Alright, we're doing this.
You don't. Pulling up, the brakes is nothing. So you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Your wife ran over my foot though. My thoughts on this ride was amazing. It was 10 out of 10! 10 out of 10. Recommend. It's a bit wet, but it's part of life, you know? Good stuff. Are they going in here?
Usually we do it in the dry.
Life is tapestry.